Ever wondered how to sift through vast datasets to extract specific information? The filter tool is a versatile feature that enables users to isolate and extract data based on predefined criteria, streamlining analysis and decision-making processes. The filter tool finds its applications in various domains, from environmental management to urban planning, where pinpointing specific features within a dataset is crucial. Let's explore how the filter tool can be used to extract forest points within a specific region, enhancing our understanding of forest distribution and management. Open MAPOG Map Analysis and click on Add Upload. Choose the Upload Vector Data option. Browse the shapefile of the region and its supporting files. Click on Upload. Click on the pencil icon to rename the map. Go to Add Upload and select Add GIS Data. Give the country name and choose the forest polygon shapefile. Click on Analyze Data and select the filter tool. Choose 2 layers. In the first drop-down, select the forest polygon file, and in the last drop-down, select the region shapefile. Click on Get Results to extract the forest points within the specified region. Finally, click on Publish. Click on the Action button and then on the pencil icon to rename the layer. Click on Show Data Table to view the data. The filter tool empowers users to extract specific data subsets from larger datasets, facilitating targeted analysis and decision-making. By isolating relevant features based on predefined criteria, the filter tool enhances efficiency and accuracy in various applications. For further queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.